winter camping for the first time ever. Getting prepared right now. I'll be coming out here on the Wolf Supermoon on Thursday coming up for 3 nights. But today I just get established, set up my tent, put the tarps up, get firewood. Back to you. Couldn't get the fire going because of the freezing rain. My hands so cold they went numb, but finally warming back up. Now I'm gonna read for a bit, then snuggle up and get warm for a while, and then head out later tonight. Alright, just touching down, first contact. This is my taste of my very first day ever doing winter camping. Alone in the woods where no one ever goes, so I'm just full of participation of the wildlife around here. I've got a sheet for my air mattress, pillow, sleeping. That's what it looks like from the outside. Tent set up under this big tree canopy. Tracks in, tracks out. Newest addition to my camping gear. I always add something every time I go on these adventures. Now I have a little tent heater. It's so cool, man. Sit here, right. Alright, tied the tarp down on top so that the heat can collect at the top from my little tent heater. Ties to the tree. I cut down this tree with the back of my machete so that I could extend the entrance part of it. So now we got ourselves a little hermitage in the woods, winter camping. Let's go. Well, sleeping bag, blankets, air mattress, working nice. It's a blizzardy snowstorm out there. This one took a leak and yeah, she's cold. My feet are frozen. Got my little heater thing on. Hopefully the propane don't kill me. Head back home soon. Promised my cat I would come see him. I wouldn't leave him tonight.